First, take two 2x4s and place them approximately 3 inches apart. Next, put your food item on this pin that is stuck through a cork. Once the food item is on here, place it in the middle of the 2x4s. Of the two 2x4s. Next, take the coffee container with a hole in the top and place it over your food item and resting on each of the two 2x4s. Next, take your test tube and place a clamp over it at approximately the top. Then put this in the hole in the top of the coffee container. Finally, take, using a graduated cylinder, measure out 8 milliliters of tap water and pour it in the top. That is how you assemble the calorimeter. This is how you conduct a calorimetry experiment. Take a thermometer, place it in the water and the test tube at the top. Allow it to calibrate for approximately 1 minute, which I have already let this calibrate. When I read it, it says 23. So right now my water is 23 Celsius. I then remove the thermometer, place it back in its sleeve, take the coffee can off, and take the cork with the pin on it. Then I take a peanut, Planters in this case. I thread it through, but when you thread it, all your peanuts, you have a separation in them. Don't go in that separation between the two pieces. Go inside the whole piece. You see how it has a whole piece and then the separation and it has two halves? If you go in between this cut in it, they'll split the peanut. So go in on a whole side. Just a little bit. Twist it a little bit, that helps to get it in. And there you go. Put it right between the two blocks of 2x4s. Taking a match, or in this case a lighter, light it. It's not going to ignite automatically. You're going to have to give it about 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. But when it does ignite, you'll know it. Okay, the peanut is now lit. I then place the coffee can back over it. Okay. Now the peanut has stopped burning. Put this down. Grab the clamp. Do not touch the test tube. Hot glass looks the same as cold glass. Then put the thermometer in. Right now the thermometer is rising pretty rapidly. It's now going to 45, 50 Celsius, 52 Celsius, 55 Celsius. It has now stabilized at approximately 55 Celsius. Now, take the thermometer out, put it back in its sleeve, and empty this water out into the sink.